It was great. We finally get it planned. I go, I'm going to go. Got an acronym. Yeah, acronym.
45 seconds till game on. Everybody get ready. 45 seconds. Who's going to grab the box? 15 seconds. Well, we need to at least get up to the war, because crossing the swamp with no cover blows.
Oh yeah, we need to work.
Game on, game on, game on, game on.
First, as they get into Apache without going through the maze is the key.
Yeah, that's what we said. That's the plan that we all
Hey, everybody hug the left, man.
Yeah.
We'll broadcast our movement.
If I follow you with the box, you gonna meet me there?
That's what I do. We want to stay out of the maze if at all possible. Go, somebody else grab it. Say again.
Orange team shoots and scores. Box in the castle.
That's fun. He's at the no left turn sign.
Got no left turn down. We got a lot of blue coming down the road. Come on, let's go. Punch it in here.
Hey team, be advised we got 10 in the northern parking lot, N2 area.
Watch the exits to the maze, guys.
What?
I just fucking raped that kid. He walked right into my beam of fire and stopped. Is this as far as we've made it, or have we gotten any further down the road?
Negative, no farther than this. There's a tango at S4.
Behind that bush, right there.
We got.
Guy down there.
Can you be more specific than
Dude,
down?
he's like off in the side. You can't see that white car in the bush?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
He's like 20 feet behind it, cut in.
Okay.
A little.
Right at two! No, Dan!
What, the guy down there?
Right where that guy came out of, there's one more guy in there.
He's in the slot area.
Watch out, to your left, to your left. Coming across.
One and two. Two at the front of the boat. Red and white boat. One in the new Southern Ridge Market Building, the one closest to the castle.
Where's our box?
Hey, we got one creeping out.
Oh, hit!
Kostaki, they're just south of the boat. Alright, good. I was making sure you were. Kevin, I believe we have a couple guys at the boat.
I know. I know. Oh, I can't.
Is this site clear enough for me to move up 1027?
I wouldn't because you still got the guy that's in the slot.
Yeah.
And you got guys at the boat. At the boat over here.
Yeah, I know.
That can still shoot you. You get up to the SUV, they're going to blindside you.
Oh, wow, his DB's far away, but...
Right, one of the guys bugged out by the boat, but I still think there's a couple more.
What's the path that we wanted to take with the box?
Who the hell knows?
Amazing up to a path.
Oh, that dude's done.
Ooh! He's arcing him. He's arcing him bad. I'm unloading on that guy. Maybe I just can't go that far. He's out there.
Aim up!
Yeah, I'm going for him.
I'm going for this one kid right here because he's fucking annoying me.
I shoot that far all day long. Where you got a guy over there? Yeah, he's a guy over at the boat.
Oh, I see that fucking guy. Hold on. I would not. You could lay prone, kind of, and shoot out from it, but not underneath it.
Go ahead. Well, I'm almost down by the west base on the road. How did you miss me with all those pistol shots?
Oh, I got him. Did that guy actually make it behind S1? Did that guy actually make it behind S1? He was hustling, I'll give him that. I heard a couple of babies crash. Ooh, that fucking dude's really trying to get me through this fucking truck.
I'm singing this fucking...
I know, you are.
I better not bend my barrel.
You're not, dude.
Yeah, probably not. It's a lot bigger.
Ooh.
Are not going into my gun.
Ooh.
Well, I'm sure you brought your M4 with you. Huh? I'm sure you brought your M4 with you. It's my BBs, not my gun. Oh, it is?
I think it's the elite force. They like slow up. I think the first 10 are just not. Like my top BBs don't like it.
Dylan, where is that coming from?
He's like in that new what bunker you guys.
Oh, I can't fucking see it. Okay, I got you now. Alright, that dude moved finally. There is still a guy behind S1, correct?
Did we get a guy? I killed the guy, did you?
I don't know.
Hey, someone that died.
Someone's dead? Where?
Never mind, I killed him. It was me.
Oh, I got him now.
That's two.
I see him.
We're now cut off from our respawn to the guys on the road. We have multiple tangos in the Tire Grotto and compacted N1 shooting us as we come down the road to try and leave our respawn. Their team has already completed their objective, so they're free to screw with everybody, and they're doing a good job of it with us right now.
I barely got my knee. It like skimmed off the ground, damn it. Got one at the boat on the road.
Got two at the boat on the road.
I'm just passing N16. I have no choice but to try and clear this Tire Grotto out.
Called it the Tire Grotto!
Yeah!
Yes!
Tire Grotto.
The Tire Grotto, you called it the Tire Grotto.
Is that another thing you decided to name?
Yep, and he used it.
Figure out what it was called, so we just call it Tire Grotto.
I may need a reposition to support Todd and clean up the Tire Grotto.
M14 Tom by the little camper.
Hit! Ooh! Ooh! There's still a guy at S1 too.
Hit!
That would be the guy.
No.
Oh, the boat?
Mark's dead.
Behind S1, yes. And then there's guys over by the... Another guy moved further back. Whatever the hell that is way, way back there. Those would be the guys from the...
Watch out with your paws over.
That's from the boat,
Again.
Pete, I think. You're not shooting anything, I don't think. Two behind S1 now.
Alright, we got one hit behind the boat.
There's two behind S1 now. One booked. But that was the one further back. There's still two behind S1. I think. I'm wondering if the guy behind S1 doesn't have the...
Do we have that area clear over there?
Not really. I mean, they're all over the bank, and then we knew what that you guys put up.
Okay. So I'm just thinking maybe I can move the bomb a little bit further east.
All over there.
Alright, Dylan, cover me. I'm gonna move a little bit east. I don't care about the BBs. I care about you being in the flight.
Watch out, S1 and behind the boat, Todd. Two behind S1. Two behind S1.
Take out that one guy and he's got.
What?
When you got me back, Todd, you hit me in the helmet.
Watch it, Frank. Two behind the boat, two behind S1.
Oh, I see that fucker. Oh, I'm out of BBs.